Hello, friend. My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how to take your eyebrows from this to this. So step one is going to be to groom your brows, whether that's waxing, threading, razoring, scissoring. Hey. You want to make sure that your brows are tidy, and then you're going to go ahead and grab your spoolie them right on up. And for the next step, you want to go ahead and mark your brow in 3 different places. Starting from the front of your brow, from your nose bridge, you want to take it to the arch of your brow and make a point there. And then finally from the outside of your eye, you want to take it and make a point there. And then we're just going to connect the points like we're in kindergarten. Simpler times. Not for me. And then you want to do the exact same thing for the tops of your brows, making sure to connect them at the tail. And a really good tip is to leave some space at the front of your brow so you can have a bit more of a natural look and not get those dreaded block brows that just make you look like an IMVU character. And then you're gonna go ahead and fill in your brows with happy little flicks of hair-like strokes, making sure to use a light hand. You can always add more, but it's really, really difficult to take away when you've added too much. And then you just want to use your spoolie to soften and blend those hair-like strokes with your natural eyebrow hairs. And if your brows look a mess like mine do, that means you're on the right track. And if you're finding some value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Thanks, friend. I appreciate it. For a more natural look, you're going to want to take a Q-tip and a little bit of micellar water, and you're going to use that to clean your brows to keep a natural look. Sometimes with the concealer, you can get that halo brow effect, and if you're not wearing too much makeup, it just looks a little ghastly. For my special tip that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I just want to remind you that your brows are meant to be sisters, or brothers, or cousins, or sometimes even close acquaintances, not twins. Stop stressing over perfection. It's never gonna happen. Embrace what you were born with. You were given these brows. You were gifted with these brows for a reason. Embrace it. Just make sure you're keeping them shaped, keeping them groomed, and follow these steps whenever you want to fill them in, and you're already on track to having some brows that are on fleek. For the final step, you want to go over your brows with a little bit of brow gel to make sure that they last all day long. I personally love the Tinted Wow Brow Gel from E.l.f. It's only $5 and it keeps my brows on lock all day long. And I'm a sweater, so not like the article of clothing, like I sweat profusely from my glands. And that's all, friend. Leave a comment down below letting me know how your brows turned out. And thanks so much for watching. Until next time, friend, stay safe.